2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play Signed, Sealed and Delivered by Stevie Wonder. Okay, so this is harder stuff, it's not for beginners. Song is in F. So we got F major. We got some F7 going on, and we got some D minor. We got B flat major, and C major, and then we have the melody. So let's start with that. So that's 10 G string. 8, 7, 5, 3, 2, new string, D string, 3. And then when the song kicks in, F major, D minor 7. Maybe put in an F7 there. B flat major, C major, melody. And when the chorus hits, I like to play F7 here. So that's 8, 7, 8. Maybe add the 5th to here, or the 9 to B flat 7. So that's 3, 4. Nice. That's all the parts, guys. The melody, the verses, and the chorus. Cool. Thanks for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow with more awesome classic hits. Take it easy.